Today's video is simply gonna blow your mind. I don't know how else to explain the excitement that I have for showing you what I'm about to show you. So there's this store that sells this one product and they spend $0 on advertising, yet they're gonna be worth millions of dollars. So let me show it to you. What I'm talking about is this store called Lazy Pot Noodle. If you've been on TikTok, you have probably seen these guys around, or you've probably seen some of their videos because they make some incredibly viral videos. They know exactly the right templates, the right video series to stick to in order to actually gain a massive, massive following. Even so, to the point where they're getting reviewed by Gordon Ramsay himself. Literally, popular celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay reviewed one of their videos. So we're gonna go over all of this and more in today's video. Let's start with just analyzing their TikTok, because this is the first step of the puzzle that some of you guys may want to solve if you've never actually had a successful e-commerce business, or if you don't even have money to invest into your business besides the $1 Shopify plan, which you can always find in the description of the videos. This store sells this one product that is literally just a noodle pot. So let me show it to you. We're gonna take off the sound here quick and comment on it. So this person, whoever it is, shout out to you. You are a genius. They've created this viral series where they literally just prepare food in their college dorm. That's it. And what's crazy about it is I'm pretty sure they actually were not the first ones to do this, but they were the ones to execute it the best. And that's really the key here. I'm sure you've seen other dropshippers out there try to sell products like this and create similar series, but this person executed it to a whole new level, creating actually really intricate meals through this. And this is what's gonna blow your mind the most, actually. They're not even selling their own product. So they don't have to worry about shipping. They don't have to worry about customer service. None of that. All they have to worry about is continuously making fire content. That's it. So how can they possibly do this? How can they actually be running such a genius operation? Well, through affiliate links. So as you see here, the link that they post is called the lazypotnoodle.org. Now here's my guess. My guess, because I don't know the person behind this, I hope to meet them someday. If you're watching this, let's run up an interview on YouTube. This would be really fun. But they have this basically Linktree link where they have a bunch of different affiliate links to this product. So that's why this is considered a one product store, even though I will admit they recently added more products. So it's technically not a one product store anymore. And honestly, it's not even a Shopify store. It's literally just a Linktree. That's all it is. And it's so genius, even though they're probably not making a ton of money. So if this was their own product, they probably would already be making millions. But the reason I say they will be worth millions is because, unfortunately, with affiliate commissions, you don't make a lot of money. So sure, the product is $36, but they'll probably make maybe 10% at most with something like that. So, $3 per order. If they get 100,000 orders, that's, $300,000. But, it's going to take a long time to actually get to that $1 million mark, even if they're getting, tens of thousands or millions rather views every single month. But what's really genius about it that a lot of people are probably not taking into consideration at this point in the video. If you're still watching, you're goated because you have a higher attention span than most people. Most people already left by now. But if you're smart and you're still watching, hear me out. These videos are getting literally 20 million views, for example, and this was posted a little bit over a week ago. That's not a lot of time. 20 million plus views. Just through the creativity beta program on TikTok alone, they're probably earning close to 6 figures a year, at least, probably way more than 6 figures a year actually at this level. People on Reddit are saying that this creativity beta program is actually paying a ton of views. So for example, this guy made 2,600 from 6.2 million views, which is about 43 cents per 1,000 views. So if we use that similar logic to judge, or rather math, to judge this person's channel, you see how they will be worth millions soon, right? And here's the thing. They're very smart. They're also starting to link to other media pages. So they created the same sort of viral series on a Snapchat, which is actually, again, a very perfect place for this kind of content, considering that he often talks about making these meals in a college dorm. And college people are literally the demographic that are on Snapchat. So that's interesting to say the least. But what can we gather here? What are the learning lessons? They went so viral that even Gordon Ramsay himself now actually did a react video to one of them where he cooked the filet mignon in his dorm room. And he's like actually impressed by it. He actually is really happy about it. I'm not going to show it to you because I know Gordon Ramsay's team's going to copyright strike me, but he's really happy about it. So he's giving a lot of clout to this kid and actually praising him for doing better than most restaurants would with this little crock pot that he has in his dorm room. And this video, again, alone has 42 million views on top of the views that he regularly gets. So it's actually really smart of him to create this affiliate system, because he would probably get his page taken down if he was not able to meaningfully fulfill all these orders that he would be getting, and would get a lot of really negative backlash, right? Whereas he's playing it really smart and actually building partnerships with people, building partnerships on Amazon to just be able to focus on what he loves, what he does best, and actually garner a really strong community, since people see he's not really trying to sell you on anything. He's just showing himself making meals. Really smart move. I think something that would make it even more genius is in the future actually developing some of these products. Maybe I'm actually underestimating him, and maybe he is a part owner in this Amazon listing right here. I don't know. Maybe that's already a thing, but I don't think so. I think, he's just being an affiliate for Amazon. In the future, I think if he can find a brand on Shopify that does the same thing, he could build a much better affiliate incentive, or get a bigger affiliate incentive, let's say something like 20 or 30% of the revenue. That would be massive. So that's a really interesting point here. I wanted to highlight this affiliate model to you guys because a lot of you, are very stuck in e-commerce, and I still consider this to be e-commerce. Obviously, there's many affiliate opportunities that you could pursue out there outside of e-commerce, but I think right now it's the golden age of e-commerce when it comes to affiliate marketing, especially when you look at things like the TikTok shop and you realize the power of short form marketing. Because like I mentioned, all of this content he's posting here, he's now posting on Snapchat and it's getting more views. He can post it on Instagram Reels, garner even more views, and then post it on YouTube, get even more views. So not only are you getting affiliate revenue, but you're also getting AdSense revenue from these platforms, which is powerful. So that's really about it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed it and you learned something. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.